Hello, hello, hello. We're back. I have my wooden puzzles, my jewelry box, another jewelry box. I have three girls, three grand girls. So there'll be three jewelry boxes of some sort. That was not cool. I caught the edge of my mat and just flung pieces. I think we're still good though. So this is number 2. Let's see if there's kind of hard to see, but that's what it'll look like. Similar to the last one I did. This one doesn't have a nifty little box on top like the other one did, but cool nonetheless. And it's weird. This one came like this. So nice and small. And even like after I unwrapped it, like these all started warping. So hopefully that's not a sign of things to come. It was very strange, because like on the last one, everything went like almost all the pieces in the first 5 or 6 steps was on sheet A, and then I was able to throw that away. This one, there's little bits off of like each one. So it's like just a little different in the way this one is designed and mapped out. But I do have everything out here that I need for the first 2 steps, which is the assembly of the top. So hopefully this goes together a little easier than the last one. I really struggled with that in a lot of different places. It's weird. This one didn't even come with wax. So hopefully that means that the pieces aren't as hard to get in. Oops. Well, these are all the same pieces, so grabbing from that pile was not that big of a deal. In fact, I'll just do this. Get that put in there. Get that one put in there. Hoping I don't need a hammer this go around. I'm scanning. I'm trying to remember where I put the little one. The little one that came with the last one. Okay. So I got all the little pegs in. Okay. Now this goes on top here. This one goes here. This one goes here. And this one goes here. This is going together really nice and easy. And then this one, guess I shouldn't speak too soon because as soon as you do, something goes haywire, right? Piece is not wanting to go in flat. Okay. So there's that. And then these get assembled. So there's 2 C4s and a C5. times 2. Okay, so C4, and then a C5. That doesn't make sense. And that doesn't make sense at all. Because the lines are cut this way. But this is supposed to go this way, lining up. Let me make sure I got them going the right way. Yeah. So that goes, yeah. That makes no sense. They've got them cut going the wrong way. So that goes in that way. That goes in that way. See, this little piece here is supposed to line up with that piece there, but there's no way for it to do that. Because this has to go this way. How about if I put it the right way? Don't mind me. Okay. C4s, then C8s and C9s assemble the same way. Like so. So, and so. That one goes in there. That one goes in there. And this goes over the top. And then over the top. Over the top. And over the top. Got it? That these pieces assemble this piece. There's no designs on either side. It's that way, this way, and this way. And then in the corners, we have C8, C9. Here and here. C4 and C4. And again, with the curvies facing out. Oh. And like that. Okay. Then we're going to spin this around, put a C4 in there, and one in here. I guess I better be careful saying that. YouTube might think I'm talking about something else. Run through some random, algorithm thing and be like, okay. Dang it. Now listen here. I'm not going to touch it. And then this pops into place. Okay, I didn't think that was only going to take me 12 minutes. So I guess we will move on to next steps. So I need E and F. I need a B. Let's see, B7. Is this one right here? E7. Just this piece right here. And then F1 and F3. F1, F3. Okay. And then E1. Yeah, I am not liking the quality of this one. They're very fragile. And then F8, 2 F5s. Okay. That completes that one. And then I need F2 and F3. E6. And E5. 2 more F5s. F8. And it's like B7. All right. These are the drawers. So obviously, because I wasn't planning on doing these, we're not quite sanded. I'm just knocking off the nubby, where it holds on to the frame. Okay, there's those. See, as you can tell, it doesn't take a lot of sanding. I said it's just a tiny little nubby there. Okay. Just a tiny little nubby. All right, so we have this piece that sits this way. This piece goes on here. Like this. Okay. Then this piece goes on here. And again, there's a design on one side, so you want to make sure that's on the outside. See, this wood is like much, much cheaper than the last one. That sit for a minute. We'll move to the other side. Peg side down and facing away from this piece. Wow. Okay. Hold on, I gotta get it closer to me. Oh, there we go. Snap into place. Okay. Then this piece goes on here. There we go. That piece did not want to go on there. Okay. And then this piece attaches with these onto this edge. Put these little pegs in there. Okay. And then this, make sure you got the decorated side out. Snaps onto there. And there's one drawer. Okay. And then we repeat. Whew. Sorry. M4. In the slot. Then clamp her in. Make sure all the pieces are in there. Scared me. Thought I broke it. All right. And then this piece. Fits in there. Theoretically. There we go. And then little piggies. And then this goes on here. And then we are going to call this a video for today. This is 25 minutes. We have the first pieces of the two drawers, Actually, I think we go this way because there's where they hinge out. So we have the 2 drawers done and the lid. So thanks for tuning in for step 1 assembly of this jewelry box, and goes that way. We will catch up with you next time.